Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the nitty-gritty of your favorite gadgets. Today, we're zeroing in on a frustrating issue that's been bugging Samsung soundbar owners: that persistent blinking blue light. If you own a 2025 model or something similar, you're in the right place. Let's break this down step by step so you can get your soundbar back to blasting your favorite tunes in no time. First off, what does this blinking blue light even mean? Generally, on Samsung soundbars, a blue light indicates it's in pairing mode or trying to connect via Bluetooth. But if it's blinking and not connecting, it could signal a glitch, like a software issue or a problem with your device's connectivity. Don't worry, it's often an easy fix. Step 1. Start with the basics. Make sure your soundbar is properly plugged in and powered on. Sometimes, a simple restart does the trick. Unplug the device, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This can reset any temporary glitches. Next, check your Bluetooth settings. If you're trying to pair it with your TV or phone, ensure that Bluetooth is enabled on both devices. Go to your soundbar's settings menu, usually accessible via the remote, and select Bluetooth to initiate pairing. If it's still blinking, try forgetting the device on your phone or TV and reconnecting. If that doesn't work, it's time to update the firmware. Samsung often releases updates to fix bugs like this. Download the Samsung SmartThings app on your phone, connect to your soundbar, and check for any available updates. Install them, and see if the light stops blinking. In more stubborn cases, you might need to perform a factory reset. Hold down the power button on your soundbar for about 10 seconds until it powers off, then turn it back on. Remember, this will erase any custom settings, so use it as a last resort. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, it could be a hardware problem. Reach out to Samsung support or visit an authorized service center. They've got the tools to diagnose and fix it properly. There you have it, quick and easy solutions to get your Samsung soundbar's blinking blue light under control. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.